Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Foodie. It's wonderful to see you once again. Today, we will be preparing a delightful muesli mix free of sugar, which also doubles as a perfect Christmas gift for your cherished ones. For this recipe, we'll need oatmeal, nuts, kernels, and seeds. We'll also need cranberries, coconut oil, agave syrup, and a dash of salt. With the nuts, you are of course free, and of course only take the ones you like. And if you want, you can leave them as whole nuts and don't have to cut them into small pieces. First, we let the fat melt in the hot pan. That was maybe a bit much, maybe a little less. Then the agave syrup is added, and then the other ingredients. I'll just show you a basic recipe here, but of course you are totally free what you use in terms of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and so on. Of course you can also add your own touch with spices like cinnamon, vanilla, and so on when the whole thing is nicely browned. But be careful that it doesn't burn. Let it cool on the baking paper before wrapping and if you like it, leave me a like. And if you are more interested in healthy, vegetarian, and quick recipes, subscribe to my channel. Try it out. And if you have cool ideas, I'm always happy about comments. See you next time.